Here's a small parcel of Boulder Opal from unknown field in central Queensland. Rules in millimetres. Material's been wetted. There is a couple of pieces of lightning ridge material in here as well. Just go in a bit closer. Okay, it's a bit of a mixture of pieces. This is one of the pieces of lightning ridge material. Nice black background on that. The other piece of lightning ridge that I saw was this piece. Back there's just potch. Some of the bold, there's another piece of lightning ridge crystal. It's just chips and offcuts. Just randomly picking these up. Bit of matrix sort of material. Looks like a little bit of choroid. Anyway, here's what it is. Hope you've enjoyed looking. It's a piece of matrix. Cheers.